Welcome back. Last video I mentioned towards the end that I would make a follow-up video with an optimization. So here it is. To start off, let's return back to the code we ended off the last video with. This code runs quite slow, running at around 1000 milliseconds. This is really bad, and if you want to improve the solution, there's a very simple fix. This is what we are currently doing, manually repeating the multiplication n number of times. However, if we use a different approach, utilizing the exponentiation by squaring formula, we can achieve much faster speeds. Returning back to our previous code, we can implement the equation, reducing the runtime down to 0 milliseconds. That's right, a simple optimization like this will reduce the runtime by over 1000 times. If we put the equations side by side, you can see the implementation and how the code reflects it. The first case of the equation is implemented by the return statement, while the if statement implements the second case. Try the solution out yourself and let me know your results.